this is Tamara from mooglyblog.com, and in this video I'd like to show you how to work the chainless double crochet into the magic ring. So we're going to start with the magic ring, also known as the magic circle. I have a separate video for this on my blog if you need to check that out first. So basically I'm going to wrap around my front finger, my first finger, twice, coming towards me, go under the first loop, grab the second loop, and pull that loop just under. Then I'm going to chain one. Notice I'm keeping good tension on both the tail end and the working end of the yarn here. And that chain one, the base of it, if you will, is right down in the magic circle there. So now I'm going to go ahead and pull up a loop about to the height of a double crochet. Now at this point I'm very carefully going to use my fingers to pull that loop out, pull the hook out of the loop, insert it from the other direction, and twist. This puts a twist in the loop that you can see right there. Okay? Now, with my first finger over the loop, I'm going to work the chainless starting double crochet, just as you normally would, going around the loop, pick it up, and work the double crochet. Pull through both loops, just like so. I do have another video on the chainless starting double crochet also, if you need more on that. Then, I will work my next double crochet right under both loops of the magic ring, like so. Then I'll work one more, just to make sure it's secure. Again, going under both loops of the magic ring. Okay, I'll go ahead and pull my finger out. And you can already see that the chainless starting double crochet blends right in with the rest of the double crochets. And that's how you work the chainless starting double crochet into the magic ring. Thanks so much for watching.